said only a few could use it. Videoinu Sora 2 engine's open for everyone.
No more invites, no limits. Your imagination now runs free.
Stick to the plan. Sora 2 is now open to everyone.
Unlimited generation! 30-minute stories ready! We're unstoppable!
Yes, those videos were 100% AI generated using the Videoinu platform that's unlocking Sora 2 for everyone. So on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Videoinu's platform to work with Sora 2. And secondly, I'm going to be showing you how to generate 30-minute long AI videos using the Videoinu's platform, and it's going to be fun. And most importantly, drum roll guys, for the first time ever on this page, I have a giveaway. Today I'll be giving out 10 free pro Videoinu access, 10 of them. And for you to know how to win, stick to the video, watch it at different points in time. I'll be dropping questions that you need to answer. So that said, let's go straight into the video. The link to Videoinu will be in the description box, so just go ahead and click it. When you click it, it opens up like this. You go over here and log in. Please note that my personal computer is at the left-hand side right here, and that is what I'm looking at, okay? Once you log in, they give you some free credits, and if you answer their bonus questions, they actually add more credits to it. This is the Videoinu platform, okay? And you can come over here to use Sora for free. And when you open here, this is the Sora 2 part of the Videoinu platform. You have text to video and image to video, okay? So we're going to start off with text to video. Now with the text to video, you just come over here. You can see landscape or portrait, okay? That tells you the aspect ratio. It is just so easy. You come over here and you paste your prompt. As always, I have a prompt document that even contains the prompt from the opener video. You see, this prompt document is supposed to be so, but because I love you guys so much, I'm going to leave it for you. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel and the link will be in the description box. So I'm going to go over to my prompt document and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to the Videoinu platform and I'm going to paste this prompt. Now, in the Videoinu platform, it has been made so easy for you. The video length is going to be 10 seconds and sound will be generated. All you need to do is just to press the generate button. So easy. Important for you to note while we wait for that to generate is you can also do image to video. So let's try that. I'm going to click the image right here and I'm going to upload this image I generated in one of my previous videos. You can click up here to access that video too and press confirm. Now I'm going to put in the simple prompt that I want her to perform. As she's working, she remembers she has an emergency and runs out of the office. Now let's take a look at the generations that Videoinu using Sora 2 engine generated for us. I think this is nothing short of amazing. She looked so real and lifelike. She doesn't even look like what was AI generated. The way the scenes were merged, the way the boss is, there were no errors. The video just looks nothing short of amazing. So now let's look at the other one that we generated of the lady sitting down in the office.
I forgot there's an urgency. I have to go now.
So this is so amazing because I didn't even tell it what to say. Instead, she's saying by herself, this is an emergency, I have to go now. So it is so intelligent. It knows when to put the dialogue, how to put the dialogue, the movement of the feet, everything is just so amazing. Now I'm going to show you what we've all been waiting for, how to create 30-minute long videos. You can go over here to click create long videos, or you can go back to the Videoinu's platform's homepage and click story video generator. This one blew my mind. But before we continue, this is the question to win the first free pro account. Tell me in the comment section what were the 3 movies I was trying to copy in the opener of this video. The first person to get this right after he has subscribed to the channel and commented the answers in the comment section gets the first free pro account. Yay! So now the story generator opens like this. Let me show you how it works. We're going to go over to our Videoinu prompts document and we're going to copy this. I go back to the platform and I'm going to paste my prompts. Now, if you come over here, you have the option of selecting a smart script that is adventurous and surprising, or selecting an obedient script. I like to do smart scripts because I like the versatility that it generates for me. Now, you're going to select the way you want your video to be. Do you want it to be in Zootopia style, cinematic style, so many styles. So for this particular video, let's choose the Zootopia style. Let's do something animated, okay? Now, when you go over here, this is the kicker. You can generate 30-second long videos at once, or you can even generate up to 30 minutes long videos at once. This one blew my mind. We're going to go over here and we're going to select 30 seconds. We don't have all the time on the world. You can always try this out later when you get your pro account. Now here, we select the aspect ratio if you want it to be in landscape or want it to be in portrait. Since we've done 2 in landscape, let's try what happens when we create in portrait, shall we? Now we're going to leave it at English and then we're going to click create. Now, this is amazing. It has created from the script the cast of this video. And look at our wonderful cast right here. She looks so beautiful, like a normal Zootopian character. Okay. And then what it does is that it breaks your prompts into a script that is well organized. So when you see all this and you're okay with it, you don't have any corrections, you just go over and press next. It's going to create images for all the scenes that are in your prompt. Okay. So now let's look at what is generated. This is the first image. This is her in her kitchen, not again, okay? And we can see this. And she spills the coffee and she goes into panic. So this is where it gets really amazing. If you come over to this side, you can use AI. You can use AI to make this image more optimized, okay? So you can click this. Oh, wow. Look at it. So this was the original image that was made. She's smiling. And look at the next image that was AI optimized, looking sad, so that I can match whatever she's saying, not again. Now, if you go over here and want to change something in the image that was generated, you can just go over here to the image prompt and change whatever you want. If you want to change the camera angles, you can click here and change the camera angles. The directing is in your hands. Then when you come over here to animate, this is where it is amazing. So with animate, you can give it the kind of motion that you want. Now it gives you an animation prompt intuitively. So I'm just going to click confirm for this to create the animated sequence. So as that one is still generating, you can go over to all your scenes that are being generated for you on the side here and just animate them, okay? So now the video has been generated for the first scene and let's play it. Okay, can you see this is what the video looks like? So right now, I want her to say not again. I'm going to go over here to the voiceover. I'm going to change her voice. You have so many kinds of voices. Let's see what Emily sounds like.
Not again.
Okay, so whatever thing we've written here is what the voiceover is going to preview. So this Emily's voice sounds nice to me. So I'm going to go back to animate. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go over to lip sync and I'm going to press confirm. So this means as she's making the motion, her mouth is going to be saying these words. It's just amazing. I will wait for that to generate. Here is my second question for you to get the second free pro account. Tell me in the comments, what other AI generators can you see that is being used on the Videoinu platform? Once you are done animating all your scenes, you're going to click the next button. And this takes us to the editor. If you want to cover, what do you want the cover title to be? Then next, you have subtitle settings. Do you want subtitles? No subtitles. If you do want subtitles, you can just select what you want the text at the subtitle to be. And last but not the least, background music. What kind of background music do you want in your video? So you select your background music and then you click generate. And your full video is going to be processed. You can see it generated a 29-second clip. And once it's generated like this, you just click the download button and you get to save it to your device.
Not again.
I think it's just amazing. From Sora 2 clips to full 30-minute videos, the Videoinu platform gives you the full studio. No coding, no cheats, and no limits. Okay, from now to the 16th of November 2025, if you create an account with Videoinu, you have free unlimited access to the Sora 2 engine. So now let's go straight to how we are going to get the remaining 8 free pro accounts.
First, subscribe to this channel. Second, register for free on the Videoinu platform. Leave a comment sharing what you like about Videoinu and what improvements you hope Videoinu would make. Thirdly, drop your Videoinu username.
So of course, turn on your post notifications because when I'm announcing these wins, I want you to hear them first. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I hope you learned something, as Videoinu is redefining the AI space, and this platform to me was nothing short of amazing. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.